Good morning, hope you are fine. I am Umeru Bab and I am here with another activity, and the activity is pencil grip practice. Let's move towards our activity. The name of our today's activity is pencil grip practice. As its name shows, it's about pencil gripping. The purpose of this activity is to develop fine motor skills and also to introduce you with pre-writing patterns. It is also a pre-writing exercise. As I have told you earlier that we tried our best to make the activity simple and fun, so you can make this activity at your home very easily with the help of your parents. We need just chart paper for this activity. Take chart paper and cut the patterns over the chart paper. So these are the stencils we are going to use in this activity. So let's start our activity. In this activity, first you have to hold the pencil properly. Take a pencil and hold it properly in between these two, between your thumb and first finger, and give a support, a bit support with your third finger like this. Look carefully how I am holding the pencil like this with two fingers and giving support with another finger like this. Now start from the starting point and you have to move upward by following the pattern. It's a standing line. From bottom to top, it's a standing line. Now move towards your right. I'm repeating your right and make a sleeping line. Now again come down by following the pattern and make a standing line. Then again move your hand, move your pencil towards your right and make a sleeping line. Holding pencil properly is very important. I am telling you again that holding pencil is very important. You have to hold your pencil like this between your two fingers and giving support with the third one. So now again move upward, make a standing line, then make a sleeping line by moving your right, then come down between the stencil. Make a sleeping line and go up. And we are done with our first pattern. Okay, move towards our next pattern. Slant line. Zigzag pattern with slant line. Start from the starting point. Make a slant line upward. It's an upward slant line. Come down. Make a slant line. Downward. Go up. Make a slant line. Come down. Make a slant line. It's a slant line upward and a slant line downward like this. Very easy to make and very fun to do. Now move towards our next pattern. Round, circle. Okay. So start from the top, turn around, move your pencil around the edges and make a circle like this. Start from the top, move towards your left. I am repeating your left. Come down, turn around again, go up and close. It becomes a circle. Start from the top, move your pencil downward, come down, go up and close. So this is a circle. Start your put your pencil on the top, start from the top, move towards your left. I am repeating again, your left. Come down, again turn around with the edges of the circle, go up and make a circle. You can take the support of the edges of the circle. Start from the top, turn around, move towards your left. I am repeating, your left. Come down, touch the ground, go up and close it. It is very important to hold the pencil properly. Hold the pencil between your two fingers, thumb and a finger, and give a sport with third one. And after that, what you have to do is, you have to move your pencil according to the patterns. Like if it's a circle, you can take the help of the edges of the circle and you can make a circle like this. And if it's a slant line, you have to move between these two lines. Like go upward slant, go downward slant. And if it's a standing and sleeping line, you have to move between these two lines, go up, make a standing line, go to your right, I am repeating, go to your right, make a sleeping line. So this is our today's activity, pencil grip activity. As I have told you at the start that it is about pencil gripping, how to hold the pencil. This activity is helpful in developing fine motor skills, in developing your holding, and this activity will introduce you with some pre-writing patterns. So this is activity, we may call this activity a pre-writing exercise. Thank you so much.